A lot of these ATVs, they recommend putting a maintainer on your battery, especially the ones with a winch on it. If you're using the winch all the time, it'll wear your battery down pretty good. So I got tired of fighting with putting the clamps or the clips on the battery and getting up underneath the seat to get to the battery or up underneath the back. So one thing I did to make it a lot easier was I ran this deal here and made it more of a hardwired configuration. You can see up here, I just clamped it right to the battery post on the other side. Zip tied it right here to keep it secure, and then I've got my maintainer here with a plug, and so I can do this one-handed. Just kind of like that, and got her charging up. So anyway, just a quick little project for making it easier instead of trying to fiddle around with those clamps and get them right on those posts and making them stay. So